Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Last day of March. Let's start. Sorry, my voice is a bit not the best, let's say. Let's start with Bitcoin on weekly. Let's see the weekly candle close, and then we can go on daily and even look on 4-hour chart to see, but maybe we have something nice. Okay. Ugly close here. Let's be honest. Red candle. Top 89. Almost. And we closed at 82. Well, that's how a bottom is forming. We discussed yesterday about two potential scenarios, W here, which will take some time, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 weeks, and then maybe we'll push higher, or the second scenario, it's head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. We can do even another one with the market pushing lower and even below 61, 69k, and then W in this area. But for the moment, I think we are okay with these two scenarios. People are bearish. A lot of people I see, they are saying crypto is a scam, and they are stop participating, let's not say leaving the crypto space. It is what it is, people. You cannot hope for high rewards if you are not hunting in the lows. You cannot buy Bitcoin at 100k and hope for 10x, for example. You can, but if you think in 10 years. So, slow and steady we are accumulating here. And hopefully we'll form a bottom. Could be in the next month or could be in the next months. Could be even take entire summer to consolidate this level. So, slow and steady. Ugly close. So far, candle body lows here could give us a nice opportunity for a long, for at least a bounce. So, $80k and $700 could be something to expect to wait. If we'll zoom in, we'll see that that's a 78.6, or at least in the long reload zone. Sorry about my voice, people. I don't know what happened. Monday morning, probably. Okay, so that's weekly on Bitcoin. Let's see weekly on CME. We are all over the place here. Big gap, another gap now. So, yeah, I'm expecting volatility. I'm expecting the market to close entirely this gap. I don't think this gap is fully closed for the moment. Yeah, we touched that level, but that left an ugly tail to the downside, which we say usually needs a retest. We close this gap, but again, on daily chart, well, we can say it's closed. Looking at weekly, I expect gaps to be closed on daily, not on weekly, but who knows. I'm not so deep in the gaps to know exactly what time frame. I know the price should retest that level. It's all I know. And I know we have a 90+% chances to close the gap. I think it's all I need to know. Okay, so Bitcoin on weekly. Let's see Ethereum on weekly. Even uglier close. You can see nothing special. In the same time, people, yeah, we are in the long reload zone. Yeah, we are not so strong as we expected, but we are getting in the support area where we should look for long ideas. I said it yesterday, I'll say it again. If you want to be patient and you don't trust Ethereum, I get it. Wait for a weekly W. It will take some time and then you can buy it. Or you can do like me, dollar cost average below $2,000. Okay. Morning, Stefan. Morning, everyone. Guys, sorry about my voice. I don't know. I didn't even know that my voice has a problem in the morning until I start speaking. Hopefully, it's nothing serious. I'm waiting here for long ideas. Weekly chart. So, will take at least, I don't know, 3-4 weeks to form a W, maybe more, probably more. We can have bounces in this time, yes. I'll hunt short ideas here, no. Simple as that. Let's go on daily a little bit to see what we have. You can see we are testing the low made in beginning of the month. OBV, let's find the OBV. Where are you, OBV? Nothing special, you can see. It's lower and lower. So, no W. We had a little bit of W here. Produced a 1-to-1. Hit the resistance here and back down. We need more than that, people. We need a clear W there. Maybe we'll touch 1,500. Who knows? Let's look left. Could be. Look at the levels here. Look at the liquidity here. I don't have the heat map. I don't use the heat map. But some of you do. And maybe you can find where is the biggest liquidity there. Most probably in this area. 78.6. Morning, Jade. Bitcoin on daily. We are in the long reload zone here. This scenario, this green scenario, it's playable, is the most probable for the moment. We'll see. Now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. In the blue area, no W, no trade. We had an attempt on the small W here, 1-to-1, belly up, going lower. Even on weekly, you can see, nothing special. We are in the damn nice location. We discussed that yesterday. Really nice location, but in the same time, we need patience. Look what happened last time, how much time we spend in this area. That people are saying, well, this time it's uglier. No, people, it's this fucking same shit. We have more altcoins and institutions are here that limited the growth of some altcoins, and they extracted a lot of money, that's true, but similar, look what happened last time here. 2019 until 2020. Imagine how people felt about Ethereum here in this area. Nothing special. No, Jade. Not early. That's the time zone we have. Yeah, I'm working with my time zone. I don't want to. We changed the hour. Now we can play around. Okay? Okay. So, that's my thinking here. We are in a good location, but we still need a lot of patience to wait for a W. Clear W here, and then we can think about something else. Bitcoin dominance, it's trying to push higher, back in the 63, maybe even 64. Let's go on daily. And let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, range, we are at the range high, but I could see the market pushing here in the short reload zone to retest this big wick to the upside. This was a clear rejection, but even if it was so strong, rejected so strong, that doesn't mean we don't need a retest. A proper retest will be, short reload zone is the best. So a fake out from the range in the short reload zone and then back down will be the best approach. If we'll keep pushing higher, well, nothing we can do about it. I'll keep adding a little bit and a little bit more and a little bit more on some altcoins. Strong shitcoins, yeah? Some people are laughing when I'm saying strong shitcoins. Yeah, strong compared to the other ones. Okay, let's see. Yes, a little bit on daily. Look at this. We left a gap here. We are testing this house level again. Testing the lows. Middle of the channel. We can push a lot lower. $5,000 is a big fat round number. I'm not saying you should short here. I'm saying to wait here for a long. Yeah? I'm not shorting. I could see an aggressive AB equals CD is pointing out exactly here. It's obvious, look at it. AB, CD. Pointing out exactly in this house level. See it? It's there. If you really want, you can hunt something, but with a gap left here, Monday morning, I don't think is the best idea. Anyway, we talked about Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, total market cap. Same thing like on Bitcoin. Altcoins, well, like we discussed yesterday, they are at the lows. What I could tell you more, people, what TA we can do more than that when you see the market is testing the lows or sweeping the liquidity. We need to wait for W's if we are traders. And some of them, they had 4-hour W's, daily W's, and the last drop destroyed the setups. And we don't have too many of them. On daily, let's say this one. Nothing. Next one. You can see we are losing the lows. We are testing the lows. Yeah, I could go on 4-hour, 1-hour chart and find some setups, some dead cat bounces on altcoins. I can do that. But I prefer to stay on Bitcoin. What I want from altcoins, I want a daily W, clear W. I want at least a 4-hour W to let me play. You can see. Look at AVAX. I'm a fan of AVAX. I like it, but clear rejection here. We discussed this one. Go back down in the long little zone. Well, give me a W here, and maybe I'll think about it. Some altcoins are still holding the lows. Some weaker ones are losing the lows. As investors on weekly chart, nice levels. No? I have 2 weeks of adding to my last chance challenge shitcoins. I don't know what will happen this week, but if we'll go even lower, I'll try to do another round. Yeah, I know altcoins could go 90% lower than what we had. I know that. Don't think I'm selling my kidneys to buy shitcoins to dollar cost average and that. Small amounts, people. The levels are good, but they are not to invest too much. Slowly accumulate. Try to get the bottom as best as possible. Patient. Every week a little bit. And I'm not selecting anything. I have that last chance challenge list, and I'm just adding on all of them a little bit. I could go on the entire list, but it's the same. Yeah? Similar. This one is 2% up for the day, but you can see it's retesting some levels. Yeah, on daily chart, if you put the last high and the last low to get a pump chaser, a long reload zone, sorry. Look at it. We are in the 78.6. Well, you can go on 4-hour chart if you say, well, this is nice. Yeah, okay. I get it. Give me W. Give me a nice W here and we can talk about it. Until then, no. Similar for rest of them. I don't see W's, I don't see anything special. I scanned the market yesterday and nothing special. That's why you don't see too many setups on premium. You don't see too many setups on even on VIP. We focused on the quality setups. If I have something clear, I'll play it. If I don't have something, I'll just stay on the fucking sidelines and wait for a setup. Huh? You can see, we posted this one. I was hoping to reach 1-to-1. Almost there. Some people moved their stop to scratch here. Some people didn't. But you can see, was promising nothing. And we had another one we posted. Ena. Huh? Promising, but if the market is going down, even a strong one like Ena will test the lows again. So, it's better to wait until we'll see a reversal, until we'll see clear setups. What's the point to be in a trade when you know that you don't have an advantage? We are here to play setups, or we are here to make money. Yeah? That's why we prefer to stay on the sidelines. Second best approach. No position is still a position because you are in cash, you are protecting your capital, and when the opportunity comes, you have money to play it. If you are wasting your capital and low probability setups, when high probability will come, you don't have enough money to play. Or even if you'll play that one, that will recover what you lost. It will not give you profit. You'll just recover what you lost in the low probability. And if you repeat that process over and over again, after one fucking year, you'll understand that you worked for nothing. Your account didn't grow. Why? Because you played when you should stay on the sidelines. And when the market was good, you just recovered what you lost instead of being profitable. People, it's not hard. Stay the fuck out when you don't have clear setups. Don't look at moon boys on Twitter and influencers on Twitter. Play setups. Don't play influencers. Influencers are making money from you, from your fees, not from the market. Okay, that being said, let's go on a lower time frame and see what we have. You remember CME chart on 4 hour? We talked about this gap, and we talked about the pump chaser zone, and we said about Gann 50-50 rule. I don't know how many of you know about Gann 50-50 rule. Huh? Gann 50-50 rule says that market will retrace 50% of the initial move in 50% of the time. And you can see 58, yeah, 28, and we are exactly there. Huh? We can push in the long reload zone, of course we can. It's a big fat round number, ADK, and we have some liquidity here, some liquidity here. So don't think, well, reversal straight from this level. Nah, it's not that easy, people. A lot of liquidity hidden here, and another round here. A gap here in the chart. You can see this is a gap, 4 hour chart, but it's there. So please don't, I don't know, be too aggressive Monday morning. Be patient Monday morning. Wait to see what is happening. If we'll go back on the usual chart, my scenario, I posted yesterday and we discussed this one. My scenario is something like this. Take one SFU, bounce a little bit, okay? Then going lower here and then form a W. So I'm expecting a W in the long reload zone. Lower and higher, I don't know, will be here. I don't know, and I don't care too much. What I care about is the pattern itself, yeah? Breaking down, bouncing, retesting, breakout, and retest of the W. That's the pattern I'm waiting. It's Monday. Maybe this pattern will complete tomorrow. Well, so be it. On 4 hour chart, nothing I can do. Of course I can play on 5 minute chart, I can play this SFU level. Of course I can play this one. And I'll do it, I'll play it. But that's 5-minute chart. That's scalping. Day trading is not swing trading for our chart. By the way, for people that don't have time, I think shark it's not a bad idea here. Because we have this liquidity, this one, if something violent will happen, they will take the liquidity here, maybe even this tail low at 78.6, and then I think we have a chance to get a 2-to-1. So wait for this pattern, or you can play the shark directly. Let's see a 2-to-1 here. Well, not bad. I could see a movement like this. Down here and then bounce. Keep in mind, you are on 4-hour chart and it will take some time to happen. It will not happen in 5 minutes. But it's something we can think about. Ethereum. Testing the lows. You can see it's accepting here. No W yet. So if I don't see a W, even if I'll see a W in the between sessions, I don't like it. I think swapping the liquidity will produce a nice SFU setup on 5-50-minute chart. So we can hunt that one. And if that one will not perform, then we should wait for the next W. Could come lower, I don't know. Okay, so W, breakout and retest, but most probably will test this low. If Bitcoin will drop a little bit, Ethereum it's kind of doomed to take this liquidity here. Hype. We talked about hype last week. Yeah? And we had the bounce and everything, it's okay. No, it's not. We had a problem with Jelly Belly. You know what happened. And we bounced. Well, we are strong. And I told you, wait. Yeah, you know, I took a position here. And then I reduced the position. I said, well, fuck it. I don't want it anymore. Seems like we'll range. We'll go sideways. I think we'll take the liquidity and then maybe we can do something. $10 is like a magnet, people. Okay. I need clear W's and I prefer daily W's here. No W yet. So, okay, we are bullish on hype. Yeah, it's strong. It could be something nice. But technically, we should wait here. Or we should use Bochan approach. If I see it $1 lower, I'll add a little bit. If I see it even lower, I'll add a little bit. Dollar cost average. Yeah? He's doing a dollar cost average on the levels, not on time. Which is not bad. Yeah? It's doable. It's a nice way to do a dollar cost average. Yeah. If that's your plan, it's not bad to if you come back down $1 more, you add a little bit. But you have to have a clear plan. And dollar cost average with a clear plan here, it's one of the best solutions. Okay. Anything else? Gold, I don't see why. TIA. TIA is stronger than the rest. Let's put 4-hour chart. Come on. There you go. Nothing special on TIA. Just a big range. We took some profit from this trade here. We played a setup that failed. Oh. TIA on this one. Oh, okay. You can see. Well, didn't hit the stop loss yet, but it's close enough. You can see we had something on TIA here on spot. Someone bought some TIA. Now let's go back on the other chart. In the long reload zone here, we can wait for another W. If we consider this one a range, this entire thing a range, we should wait in the long reload zone. Still a valid long reload zone. You can update it a little bit, but in $3 area, it's a support area in my view, and it's a nice area to hunt W's. Above it, well, I don't know. If you are long from below, okay, hold it. But if you are not, don't chase above $3. I love the fact that the market is giving us $3 over and over again. If Bitcoin will go even lower, probably TIA will go to 2.5 and maybe lower. Who knows? I'm dollar cost averaging here, people. I like TIA, but I love TIA below $3 as an investor. As a trader, I'll play setups. Solana, let's take a look at Solana. Well, seems like it's going sideways and will probably touch $100, maybe even lower. Who knows? We'll see. I don't see a setup here on 4-hour chart. I could find the setup here if I'm thinking 4-hour chart only. Yeah. So let's see. This was the low. This is the high. We can draw a long reload zone. You can see we have a long reload zone 61.8. 1 hour maybe it's better. Yeah, on 1 hour Solana looks a lot better. Why? I have the long reload zone and some W's trying to form with a nice bullish divergence on RSI. Even OBV has some W's here. So lower time frame, 1 hour, not bad to take something like this. Yeah, let's assume this is the W. This is the low. Well, let's take the other low because it's a bit lower. Hunt a 2 to 1. There you go. You can hunt more than 2 to 1, but I see the first resistance here. So if you are aggressive and you want to take something like that, well, it's there. You wait for a breakout and then for a retest, it's up to you. You are hunting more than 2 to 1, again, up to you. I saw that there is something there. That's what I see. I don't want to go lower than 1 hour. Pepe. Let's take a look at Pepe. Lower time frame. What lower time frame means for you? I'll start with 4-hour chart. We bounced a little bit from 61.8. But is 61.8 enough? Or is the first bounce, pump a little bit and then come back down in the long reload zone? Looking left, I think it's most probable that we'll come back down in the long reload zone and then maybe do a W. Yeah? 1 hour. Yeah, it's attempting a W from above 61.8. What do we say? We have location here for a long? I don't think we have location there. So if I don't have a location, I'm not even thinking about it. I have some support here, but it's not the best one. Location is bad. It's above 61.8. I could think, well, maybe it's an AB equals CD, but we are in that environment where it's a AB equals CD. Probable to happen? No. We are in a long reload zone environment. 78.6 level is most likely to be hit. So if you necessarily want to take a W here, at least, who asked about this one? Yeah, someone. Here, move your stop to scratch if you take a W like this, okay? So if you, I don't suggest to take that trade. I don't take a trade above 61.8 there in this kind of environment, Monday morning. But if you want to take it, at least be aggressive and close 50% at 1 to 1 or move your stop to scratch. Be aggressive on protecting your capital. It's all I'm saying. In my view, it's either will go without me, either will come back down in the long reload zone 78.6 even and then do a double. But that's just me. Okay? Vance, no, I'm not early today. We changed the hour in Europe, Vance. Okay? Okay, now. Tao, you can see, nothing special. Rest of the altcoins, I could talk about them, but nothing special. If you have requests, I'll take a look. If not, let's call it a live stream from Monday morning. I think we did an overview. We established that it's mostly better to wait for a market to tell us the next move. Probably we'll see in the New York more volatility. We have the plans for today. Yeah, 1 hour, I think, pushing a bit lower here, playing the SFUs if will be the case, or a W or shark. So we made some plans. We know what we expect from the market. The Doge forming. Let's go on the other chart to see daily. Doge. Where are you, Doge? There you go. Man. Where do you see that W? Mr. J. I don't see the W. I need more. I could assume that this could be a W at some point in time. Something different. This entire price action could be a W, something like this. Well, yeah, could be. But we don't have enough to think that. No. We don't have enough to think that, even on daily. You need to see some activity here in the long reload zone. For the moment is dead cat bounce. And for the moment, look at the trend. We're still down. Yeah, if you can think on 4-hour chart, maybe a setup here. I get it. If you want a W here in the long reload zone for a setup, maybe, but no. For a daily W, man, you are early. Why? You should think something like this, yeah? Let's assume that on lower time frame you'll get a W there, then a breakout, and then a retest, something like this. So here will be your entry. It'll take some time. If it will happen like this, if we'll just lose the lows, or we'll bounce here to the candle body highs, and then we'll let's do something like this. Okay, it's possible. So you are too early to call anything. Call a daily W there. Yeah, on 4-hour chart, I get it. You maybe want a W here, maybe 78.6, maybe a W on even 1 hour for a setup for something short on lower time frame, but daily nothing. Okay, anything else, people? If you want to help us out, please repost this tweet. That is helping us in the best way. Likes, yeah. If you like the content, hit the like button. But if you want to help us out, repost. Griffin, Jade, you are here? You remember what we discussed here? Why you should not fucking chase? Where is your FOMO now, Jade? Yeah? You felt the FOMO. If you have a good journal, Jade, and you look at you're doing it right, and you put your emotions in the journal, and now you are looking back, you'll say, fuck it, look at me. Yeah? That will help you next time. If you don't have a journal, you'll forget easily. And next time you'll have the same temptation to FOMO in. Well, Jade, you should journal because you are in Kappa 1 and I told you to journal every day. If you don't do it, that's your business. That's on you. You should put your emotions and everything at the end of the day in that fucking journal. If you don't do it, nothing I do for you. No? I didn't say to do a journal and put to journal there just because I want you to have something to do. No? Every day. That will become a habit. That's why you should do it every day. And a habit, it's easy to keep. Yeah? You don't need will to journal. It's a habit already. Yeah? Easy to maintain. But if it's not a habit, you'll have to fight it every day. Well, I have to journal again. But if it's a habit, it's easier. You just, well, I need to do it. Sometimes you're not even thinking. Just take the journal, put your thoughts there, and that's it. Will not take more than 2 minutes. But idea is, yeah, we had the support here. You can see that produced a bounce. They bounce here and short 3 low zone and back down. Now give me a double. Oh, have 4-hour chart. Give me a W. Or maybe you'll lose the lows and then we'll do a double. Who knows? Doesn't look strong for the moment. We have time to wait. I don't think we should chase. Okay? Wait for a clear W. We can go back on this one to see more of them. Arena, for example, they had some unlocks here. If you know, at every end of the month, they are airdropping coins. So every end of the month, expect a drop because people will sell their coins. Most of them. So you can see. Yeah, now. I'm adding here now. I'll wait. I have some arena. It's enough. Let's take a look at Grief. Then that's the last one. That's the last one here. You can see. Yam. That Yam produced a nice result. Breakdown, retest, and down. It's played out already. But we are still a bit above 61.8. I don't like that. So I prefer the market to come back down here. Give me a W and then I will become bullish on Grief. Maybe it's the best coin ever. Maybe it's curing cancer. Yeah? But technically I don't have a setup for the moment, people. I took a look at total and total 3. I don't think I could see in total 2 that will bring me joy or I'll see something different. Nothing. Total 2 is looking like a combination between total 3 and total 1, Jade. Yeah. Nothing special. We are in the long reload zone, you can see here. The trend is down. We are fighting $1 trillion. Nothing special. Yeah? So long reload zone, $1 trillion. We are fighting that level. On short term, we can go lower at 78.6, yes. But I don't see anything special there. We have a good location, but that's about it. Okay. Let's call it a live stream. Keep in mind, the public is reacting. We should prepare. We should trade the plan, play only setups. We are not the public. We are not reacting to what market is doing. We are preparing. We know to wait for a limit order, to know where to get the fuck out, how much money we risk. Things we can control in this fucking market. Where the market is going, we cannot control. But we can control a lot of things, people. And that makes all the difference. You can control when to enter, how much you'll risk, where to get the fuck out, and where to take the profit. You can control these things. So you have a lot of control on your money and what is happening. You don't have any control of what market is doing. Well, Nobody has, or almost nobody. But see the advantage, people. See the advantages. What you can control, what you can do. Don't react. Well, FOMO, fear. No. That are emotions. And emotions are bad for business. Okay, I blabbed away for 40 minutes again. That's more than enough. See you people in the New York session if you are premium member. Yeah, tomorrow it's open for everyone. I think tomorrow morning Stefan will open the VIP for everyone. So if you want to join VIP, you can DM him and ask him if he has a place for you. Not too many places opened this month. Yep, Jade. Okay, people. See you next time. Bye bye.